Today we are going to take a lesson about words and its opposite. So let's get started. يلا بينا. So let's start with hot and cold. Hot is سخن. سخن. سين الخاء النون. سخن. Cold is سائع. سائع. Okay? And guys, be careful about those two words. Hot here we are talking about tea or coffee is hot. So here we say سخن. But about weather we have another word. Do you remember? Hot it's mean حر. If you are talking about weather. Cold is برد if I'm talking about weather. But if I'm talking about drink, I can say سائع which is cold or سخن which is hot. So be careful about that. Okay? Okay. Next one is قدام ورا. قدام ورا. قدام is in front of. ورا is behind. Okay? So قدام ورا. Okay? سريع بطيء. سريع بطيء. سريع is fast. بطيء is slow. And remember that it's طاء بطيء, not تاء, not lighter one. It's a stronger طاء. طاء بطيء. Okay? Okay. كبير صغير. كبير صغير. كبير صغير. Okay. كبير is big. صغير is small. Okay. قصير. قصير. قصير طويل. قصير طويل. قصير is short. طويل is tall. ليل نهار. ليل نهار. ليل is night. نهار is morning. ضلمة نور. ضلمة نور. ضلمة is dark. نور is light. And by the way, نور is name for girl or man both. تقيل خفيف. تقيل and there is تقيل خفيف. خفيف. Okay? تقيل خفيف. تقيل heavy. خفيف is light. Okay? Okay. قريب بعيد. قريب بعيد. قريب بعيد. Okay. قريب is close. بعيد is far. Okay? Okay, this is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson. مع السلامة.